So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and this video is about Junelle Bromfied replying back to Jamaicans that were dragging and calling out her names on social media simply because of what no one else said on an interview. No one has made it known that Junelle Bromfied has been the spy from Jamaica that has been telling him a lot of secret about Shirley Ellen and of course the MVP track club, and also a lot of Jamaican secret that he needs to know. And people from Jamaica, since no one has made it known, they have been dragging Junelle Bromfied back to back on social media, and it's starting to affect Junelle Bromfied mental health. And for that reason, Junelle Bromfied recently replied back to people that are dragging her on social media, that I even heard she had to delete her Twitter account because the dragging was just too much. People were calling out her names. People were trying to make her feel bad for what she did. So she finally replied back to those people, and in this video I will share with you every single thing you need to know about her reply. I'll be sharing with you in details, because when I saw her reply I was shocked. I never expected Junelle Bromfied to have this kind of a reply to the Jamaican people. Now this is how Junelle Bromfied replied. So Junelle Bromfied said, "Living my best life because all this insult in the comment and paying for this business class flight." Now let me repeat myself. Junelle Bromfied said, "Living my best life. I am living my best life, all because of this insult in the comment and paying for this business class flight." And what she's trying to let you guys know is that she doesn't care whatever people are going to say, because she's going to keep living her life. She will be happy. She will not allow anybody to mess with her mental health, because the situation that Junelle Bromfied has found herself currently is not a happy situation. If you are not emotionally strong, this kind of situation can actually make you feel devastated. It can actually make you lose your mental health, because people are dragging you, calling you names, blabbing you, and striking you for something you knew nothing about, simply because your fiancé had a slip of tongue in an interview, and he is the one causing this trouble to you. So I feel like Junelle Bromfied is having one of the toughest moments in her athletic career, and the cause of this is no one else. But as we all know, no one else is my guy. I'm not really gonna blame him. I remember the last time no one else commented on my YouTube channel, and it was my happiest moment. So don't come after no one else, right? He is my guy. Please take it easy with Noah. Take it easy with Junelle Bromfied. I love them both. In fact, I love their relationship. And if they are going to get married and send me an invitation card, I will be there. Trust me, I will be there. And I know you people are going to come after me in the comment section and start saying that, oh, no one has talked too much. Oh, he brags too much. Oh, he's doing this, he's doing that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you even know no one else in reality? He might actually be the opposite of what you're seeing on social media. Who knows? Maybe no one else is just trying to cause some drama and just go viral. That's the essence. So stop taking stop taking things seriously, okay? No one else might actually be a sweet soul if you get to know him personally and in reality, because I've seen so many interviews, and no one else is an humble soul. He's a very humble soul. It's just that you don't understand him, but once you understand him, you get to know what I'm saying, okay? And Junelle Bromfied, she's actually a sweet soul also. So stop trying to hate on these people, okay? Now kindly drop your opinion in the comment section about this whole situation, and also do not forget to like this video, and of course subscribe to the YouTube channel.